Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMate Beginning, and today we're going to see how to insert the table in your Google Sheet web on your computer or PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the table on your Google Sheet web on your computer? I just going to show. So first of all, you just open a sheet here. So you just need to insert a table, right? So you just click on the insert option at the top, and you can find options called table. Okay, so you can't select like this and you can just insert it. Just click on the insert option and just select the table. It automatically shows the option on the sidewise. So it automatically create a table like this. You can have a different type of table option. For an example, future, event planning, and also the customer relations, and lot of it has a sum of categories. You can just choose any one of this and click on this option. So it automatically create the table. You can just decrease the view percentage like this, and also it will shows how the should we just custom these options. And if you just need to delete the table, just click on this and just right click here, and you can now have option to delete, and you can just add more table rows and columns if how it's going, how it should be have like this. So it's simple that you can just easily add more rows and columns, and also you can easily create the table with the help of this, and you can easily customize too. You can just edit everything from here, and this is how you just insert the table on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.